So let's tell the story of the Castle Mountain Mine, Hart, California. My first job out of college after getting my bachelor's in geology was at for Viceroy Resources at the Castle Mountain Mine. They had just put in a couple of holes that were just unbelievable. They needed exploration geologists there to tend rigs and to move samples. So I joined the team and eventually worked my way to where I became not only the exploration geologist, but then supervised a crew of 10 geologists to log all the chips that had been done in the drill holes that had been drilled there. I then became the mine geologist and did a few things for the Viceroy Resources and also the gold mining industry that had never been done before. The idea was that the gold was silicon encapsulated, submicron size gold that was not recovering to heap leach. What I discovered was the gold was actually chunky and existed in large particles, so and also suggested a new approach to this, and for the first time it was done in the mining industry. They put in a mill to mill and gravity separate all of the ore above 1/10 of an ounce per ton, and then took the tailings from the mill, thickened them, and then blended them with the agglomerated ore -3H crush that was going on to the heap leach. This eliminated the need for a tailings impoundment facility, also gave the opportunity to recover any gold that was still left in the milled material. But the milled material really released the gold about 100 microns and did fairly well. It was the first time this was ever done in the mining industry, and I was quite proud of my work there. It is getting ready to reopen again, and they have a resource of around 5 million ounces of gold. Quite a deposit.